Are you still spending hours creating PowerPoint slides manually? What if Google Gemini could turn your documents into a complete presentation in minutes? In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Gemini to upload files, generate professional AI-powered slides, customize designs, and export them directly into Google Slides for full editing. You will also learn how to download your presentation in different formats, making your workflow faster and more flexible than ever. Let's dive in.
You got it. Thanks for subscribing.
Okay, this AI tool is Google Gemini. Google Gemini, to be able to access it, you must have your Gmail account. You look at the right hand side here, you can see this is Gemini. This is Google Gemini. You click on it, then it brings you to the same interface. You can see now. You have the interface here. Okay, you now have the interface here. You can see the sidebar here. You can toggle it. You can see now. You can see the plus sign. You can upload your files. Okay, you can add from Drive. You can include photo in your generation. Oh, a wonderful update is the integration of Notebook LM. Notebook LM. You can see how do you access your Notebook LM. Also, you can access your Notebook LM from this. Okay, you go to the right hand side here. Okay, you come down here. You click on Notebook LM. Everything you see here is already on Notebook LM. Let's say in case you have a document that you've already uploaded on Notebook LM. For example, let's say we have this blueprint for academic excellence. We click on this notebook. You click on this notebook. You already have the document there. You have, okay, you can see now. So let's go to Notebook LM. You can see Notebook LM here. You click here. You have the same document, the blueprint for academic. Okay, you can see 7 strategies for reaching your full potential. So you can decide to create the presentation from any of these documents that you already have on your Notebook LM based on the several sources that you have. But that is not our focus today. Today, we are dealing with a document that is already prepared for presentation, let's say by a facilitator called Julian James. And the title is Academic Success Strategies, a Comprehensive Guide. You know, we have introduction. You can decide to include objective of the training. Is a training facilitation. You can see now. The first strategy is foundational habit and mindset. We have goal setting, scheduling environment. The second strategy is evidence-based learning strategy. The third one is the study circle. And we also have references also. We have references. Okay, let's say you have a well-prepared document. You have a well-prepared document that you want to create a presentation from. Okay. You click on new chat here in Google Gemini. It takes you to this chat. Then you can decide to access the document either through Notebook LM, photos, add from Drive. But we are going to be uploading the document that has already been prepared for certain workshop or training, okay, that have been carefully researched and well prepared. Okay, let's say upload files. Okay, this is a file uploaded. Okay, I can say create a presentation slide of the attached document. Okay, I can decide the background. Okay, a white background. Okay, the shapes might be in wine and blue colors, color designs. Okay, if you understand design principles, you can include whatever you want to include there. So I just wanted to create a presentation. That is the focus of this tutorial. You can see You can click on this. You can decide to say answer quickly if you want it to generate quick answer. Solve complex problems if you want it to take time in generation. You can see the tools here. Create image, GIF. Okay, let's go ahead as we generate the PowerPoint presentation. I click on submit. Okay, let us wait for a while and see what they give to us. You can see it's already working on it. Okay, I think we now have it now. Let us click open. You can see academic success strategies. Let's say open, and it brings a division where you can see the prompt and you can see the presentation slide generation. Okay, this is it. I can decide to download it as a PDF. Let's see the PDF version now. Creating slide PDF for download. Okay, I can also, okay, this is the PDF version. You can see now. You can see now. You can see the presentation now. You can see academic success strategies, a comprehensive guide to modern excellence. Facilitator Julian James. Let's move to the next one. Oh, the higher education shift, you can see. Oh, the first one, part 1 is foundational habits. Oh, this is nice. 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 You can see now. Okay, why is generating the PDF download, which we cannot edit the PDF download. We are going to be exporting to slides. Let's see. Okay, let's click on the PDF. The PDF download is ready. Okay, you can see the PDF download now. This is nice. This is nice. This is great. You can see. Okay, the next one is how you can generate an editable PowerPoint presentations. Okay, aside for the fact that you can download a PDF format. So you can look at this, the right hand side here, export to slides. You click on it. When you click on it, it gets downloaded. When it download it, then it opens in this format. So in this format, you can decide to change the name, the title. You can see. You can decide to change the titles. This is the name of the facilitator. You can decide to change the name of the facilitator. You can decide to edit. You can decide to edit. You can see it is the next slide. You can see how flexible it is. How flexible it is. This helps to reduce your workload. You can see how Google Gemini is gradually reducing the workload of designing PowerPoint presentations. Then after that, you can decide to come to the file here, the file here. You click on it and you want to save as PowerPoint. You want to save as PowerPoint. Oh, okay. You want to download it as PowerPoint. You can see now. Microsoft PowerPoint. You can PDF document, JPEG. So you will download as Microsoft PowerPoint. Thank you very much. I want you to subscribe to my channel.